Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Range Rover Sport. Powered by intelligence, brilliance by design, Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.